Today we are bombarded with a variety of options when it comes to new technology that we can buy. Yes, not everything can be enjoyed by all age groups, but there are a few gadgets that you will enjoy irrespective of your age. From an electric scooter that will get you from point A to point B, to a fitness tracker that won't break the bank, the list of gadgets that you can buy are almost endless. So stick around till the end of the video to find out a lot more about a drone that just weighs about 249 grams that also happens to shoot great videos to spice up your social media feed. Let's dive in. Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. If you want an instant camera for yourself or you want to get it for a loved one, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 is the latest camera to join Fujifilm's incredibly successful Instax Mini line. This particular model is replacing the Instax Mini 9, which makes the Mini 11 the most affordable Instax that you can buy today. Today, the Instax Mini 11 is the only camera that still gives us the retro vibe while being extremely affordable. With the Instax Mini 11 camera, all you need to do is pick up a pack of Instax Mini films and you have everything to start creating retro-style instant prints. The camera itself is a chunky rectangle with rounded edges constructed from a matte finish plastic, which gives you a better feel in hand. The newer Instax Mini 11 is also slightly lighter at 293 grams compared to its predecessor that weighed about 307 grams. The Mini 11 is by far the most practical instant camera with an inclusion of a built-in selfie mode. Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2. With the fuel prices going over the roof, it's high time to think of some electric alternatives to get around from point A to point B, especially if the distances to be covered are on the lower side. An electric car might be too expensive for a lot of people, but you could get something like an electric scooter. The Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 boasts a max power of 600 watts with 45 kilometers of super long range after 8 hours of charging and a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. This electric scooter is extremely portable because you can fold it in just 3 seconds. You get 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, a multifunctional dashboard, and an aerospace-grade aluminum body with safety features like eABS and disc brakes as standard. There are 3 different riding modes. When you're in pedestrian mode, you can cruise at around 5 kilometers per hour. When riding in the standard mode, you can cruise at a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour. And in the sports mode, you can cruise at 25 kilometers per hour, which should be decent enough for most people. Lumos Ultra Smart Bike Helmet. If you're into cycling, a great bicycle helmet is a lifesaver. But not every helmet is built the same. The Lumos Ultra Smart Helmet is equipped with bright dynamic lights, along with several smart features which will give you high visibility on-road and make you extremely predictable to the traffic around. The Lumos Ultra helmet comes with 3 chip-on-board LED modules that will give you 360-degree coverage, which means that you will be visible to everyone around you. It also has integrated turn signals that you can activate with an included remote or by using your Apple Watch. The Ultra is also equipped with a click dial fit system to ensure that it sits firmly and comfortably on your head. Did we mention that the Lumos Ultra is compatible with Strava as well? Yes, that's right, and as a cyclist, we don't have to tell you how important Strava is to you. With a weight of about just 370 grams and the battery life of about 4 to 10 hours, depending on how you use it, all thanks to the 3.7-volt, 1100 mAh lithium polymer rechargeable battery, you could get a lot with just 3 hours of charging time. So if you're looking for a fancy bicycle helmet that can also keep you safe, well, this is it. Insta360 Go 2. If you don't want to carry around a bigger action camera, then something as small as the Insta360 Go 2 might make perfect sense. It is a tiny camera that is surprisingly capable of a lot of things. The camera is waterproof up to 13 feet, because if it wasn't, the camera would be pretty useless. It has 8 different shooting modes with the max resolution of 2K or Quad HD, and a maximum frame rate of about 50 FPS. These might not be great specs on paper, but for a camera this size, these are quite impressive. You get so many accessories for this device to make the most out of it. The charging case would be the most important part of the camera. Once the clamshell is unfolded, the two legs on the bottom can be extended to use it like a tripod. The charging case also has a Q20 mount for attaching accessories and a convenient USB-C port for charging and data transfer. The camera comes with a lot of compromises, but at this size, we can't complain much. Apple TV 4K. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, the Apple TV 4K might be the perfect buy. This media streaming box might be quite expensive compared to the others that we have in the market. But with anything Apple, you're paying for the ecosystem of products and not just the product itself. It is faster and a lot more responsive than most of its competitors. It also supports HDR and surround sound, including Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. If you're a fan of streaming your favorite shows or movies, then the Apple TV 4K will surely bring your viewing experience to the next level. Did we mention you can even use your iPhone as a remote? Echo 4th Gen. If you're in the market for a smart speaker with a decent price tag, the Amazon Echo 4th generation is arguably one of the best that you can buy, especially if you own smart home devices. The design of this speaker may not be the favorite of everyone, but it still might appeal to a lot of people. The Amazon Echo boasts great build quality, a great price, a strong base for its size, and obviously it comes with Amazon's Alexa. Today, we have so many Alexa-compatible devices, so it makes a lot of sense to have this speaker in your house. The built-in mic is so good at picking up everything you would yell at it. Overall, the Amazon Echo is just as easy to use as all the previous versions of the speaker. All you need to do is take it out of the box, plug it into an outlet, and follow the instructions in the Alexa app that is available on both Android and iOS. Once you have connected the speaker to your Wi-Fi network, you will have access to Alexa Personal Assistant, which is sweet. Mi Band 6. Most people think cheap is bad, but that is not the case with the Mi Band 6. If you're looking for a budget fitness tracker, then you should definitely buy the Mi Band 6, because this is a very inexpensive fitness tracker that offers a plethora of features and also promises 2 weeks of battery life. But this battery life will depend upon how you use your device. You will want to buy the Mi Band 6 for its fitness tracking capabilities, but it also offers so many features that you could find with higher-end devices. It is an extremely light and comfortable tracker that can also track your sleep, and you could get great sleep metrics and analyses to look over the next day. You also get an SpO2 sensor and the ability to measure heart rate during sleep, which will also give you a bigger picture of what is happening overnight. You could even use it with the app to keep track of all your workouts, whether they be indoors or outdoors. The Mi Band 6 offers solid tracking accuracy, especially if you're sticking to shorter periods of exercise, let's say about 20 to 30 minutes. It's crazy to think that Xiaomi was able to pack so much tech into something as tiny as the Mi Band 6, and it can do most things that a more expensive smartwatch can do. This is a perfect gift for younger kids or adults, which is the reason why the Mi Band 6 made it to our list. DJI Mini 3 Pro. When DJI announced the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which is the successor to the popular DJI Mini 2, people got so excited, especially for those who are into flying drones. The DJI Mini 3 Pro gets an updated 4K 60 FPS video capability with active tracking, tri-directional obstacle sensing, and a 90-degree gimbal recording for recording those vertical videos for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even Snapchat. You'll get about 30 minutes of flight time or 47 minutes with an extended battery pack with just 60 minutes of charging. DJI was also clever by keeping the weight of the new Mini Pro at 249 grams, which is very similar to the outgoing model. This is done because so many countries don't require a license to operate a nano drone weighing under 250 grams. You get a CMOS sensor with dual native ISO and aperture of f1.7. The sensor is also capable of capturing 48 megapixel photographs and 4K 60 FPS video. With a price of about $700, the DJI Mini Pro is an absolute pleasure to use. But keep in mind that the $700 price tag is without the remote controller. If you want the controller as well, you'll need to pay about $759, all the way up to $909 for the complete package. We are always keeping our eyes wide open for some of the best tech that we can find, so that everybody gets to enjoy some of the latest and greatest tech products. A drone may not be for everyone, but something as compact as a DJI Mini 3 Pro or an instant camera might be something you can either get for yourself or gift it to someone special.